Alright, I'm going to go ahead and give you a tour of my computer. I had to make sure the mic was on. Alright, we're going to start on the outside, moving on in. Hi. Real quick, that's my crappy computer screen. It's an old, ancient e-machine. You gotta love those things. It was free. It still works. It's like 5 years old. Over here you have a knife from Taco Bell. And my iPod Touch 8 gig and a Cytec 52X flight control deck. That's the throttle stick, and this is the actual joystick right over here. It's really fancy. My computer right over here. A couple things I want to show off. There we go. Pull out the cable. Top of my computer over here. You got the power button. You got the reset button right here. It's a small little 3.5 drive bay. I'm planning on installing a card reader. Here. DVD, CD, reader, writer. It's called the Thermaltake X-Ray. What's really cool about this, I'm going to move this actually all the way down towards the bottom, but look at that. It got a little cup holder right there, and if you ever need to have a cigarette, bam, right there, cigarette lighter. Or you can actually use that as a car adapter for anything that uses that adapter. Right over here is a Logisys multifunction panel. Those two spheres right over here, they actually control the temperature. I don't know if you could read it. No, the lights are too bright. Fan controller, which is not in use. Firewire and 2.0 USB ports. There's also remote control. So when I, if I'm in bed and I'm just too lazy to turn on my computer, push a button and this thing will read the signal and turn on automatically. And you can probably tell right here is the antenna. The antenna cable is too short to reach one of my slots, so I gotta have it inside the computer. Alright, looking at this big ass thing right over here, that is a Rosewill 2-ball bearing heatsink, or heatsink, you could say that, or a processor fan. Those two long things right next to it are Thermaltake RAM heatsinks. They're very good. My RAM will never get hot. Back there you can see it's this Rosewill 600 watt power supply unit that's going to get upgraded someday. And looking down is my mess up cables, which I want to throw in the back. Alright, over here you can see like those little dot things. This is the casing for my external hard drive. My computer's large enough for it to be inside the computer, so that's really awesome. Looking down, that first thing right over there with the little wire dangling over it, it's my audio card. It's currently one of the top 3 in the market right now. I'm looking to get the best one, and I know it's in the wrong spot, but right underneath it, looking up, all those upside down capacitors, that is my even lower. You see my video card right down in there. Yeah, that's about it. And for the modifications I'm doing, you look back here, it's really dull, really boring, you can't tell anything. That's where I'm going to cut out the square, add in 4 fans, modders mesh, and it's going to be like really kick-ass computer. Alright, that's my computer.